Of quadratic equations formula x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. General quadratic equations be ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, a not equal to 0. Therefore, ax square plus bx is equal to minus c. Transposing c, x square plus b by a into x is equal to minus c divided by a, dividing both sides by a. Then adding b divided by 2a the whole square to both sides to make LHS a perfect square, we get x square plus b divided by a into x plus b divided by 2a the whole square is equal to b divided by 2a the whole square minus ca. Therefore, x plus b divided by a the whole square is equal to b square minus 4 into a into c divided by 4 into a square. If b square minus 4ac is greater than or equal to 0, then by square roots we get x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus the whole root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Therefore, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac the whole divided by 2a. Hence, the roots of the given equations are minus b plus the root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a and minus b minus the square root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Hence, we got the required equation.